Hazrat Ibn Abi Mulaika has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, some of the Prophet's companions radiyallahu anhum happened to pass by the people of the spring, one of whom was bitten by a snake or stung by a scorpion. The people of the spring dispatched a man to them asking, "Does any of you know the spell of the bite of a snake or sting of a scorpion? For one of the people of the spring has been bitten by a snake or stung by a scorpion." One of them went, recited chapter Fatiha and blew on him. So he rallied, and he brought his companions the goats. They disliked it and said, "You have taken wages for Allah's book." They at last reached Medina Munawwara and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he has taken wages for the Quran." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "Allah's book deserves more than all other things for which you take wages." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5737.